Oh, it's okay.
Oh, I just want to point out that I can come back and change your bit. Thomas graduated in college. I still work here, and I'm down to 11 strands, and I am very protective of 11 strands.
Should I?
Yeah.
So basically what happens, folks, is the baby wets the diaper, the liquid goes through the first few layers of material and then gets absorbed by the chemical, keeping the liquid away from the baby, keeping baby dry. Thank you, folks.
So, Mr. San Giorgi said that was sodium polyacrylate, and we have another version of sodium polyacrylate. It's the same molecule, just in a different shape. So it's going to do something a little bit different. It's still going to absorb a ton of water, but this time it's going to make snow.
Make it snow.
So we had a little too much snow last week, which is why we didn't have the show, but it's all dirty and yucky now, so let's make some new snow. After the show, if your teacher allows you, you can come down and touch it. But here we got nice smoky snow.
Yep. It looks like the real thing.
More water.
More water?
More snow for everybody.
More snow for everybody.
Snow for everybody. Look under your seats. There's snow.
Snowflake! You can clap now. So, that one was cute and fun, but now we're gonna go back to more explosion-y type stuff. So, as you guys know, I'm a bit of a party animal. I've been talking about parties all day. So, I've got some Diet Coke. I remember y'all saying you like soda. And I got some candy, got some Mentos. Does anyone know what happens when you put Mentos in Coke? Yeah, you do. Who's ready to party? Can I get a countdown? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I should point out that one of the agreements we have made with the college is that you people are responsible for cleaning the ceiling. Okay, we got the mom right over here.
Well, it's been fun, and everything must come to an end. We started with a bang, we should probably, well, end with a bang. I have a chemical in here, it's called calcium carbide potato gum. Yeah, it could be, but it's called calcium carbide. And when it reacts with water, it produces acetylene, which can be found in potato gum. But its original use was in theater. It was called being in the limelight. They used them in the lights on the front of the stage. And they also used them in coal mines, although I'm not sure why.
Lanterns.
Lantern, yeah, but a lantern...
Explode.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
I never quite got that, but yep, that's what history says. Where are my matches? Oh, God. Anyway, let's see, who do I pick on today?
Jeep.
No fear.
No.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was called Knock Your Socks Off. Can I have my socks back?
We need our socks back. That's our show. We hope you enjoyed it. I want to thank you for coming. I do. Did anybody figure out you've seen carbon dioxide in the gas phase? You've seen nitrogen in the gas phase. You're seeing it in the air right in front of you. It's colorless. Did anybody figure out why it's white? Remember, it looked like that white cloud coming out. Why was it white?
It's interacting with the oxygen in the air?
No, it's just sitting there. It's white because you weren't actually looking at the gas. What you were looking at were little tiny ice particles that are formed when the cold gas comes out. You are looking at the beginning of fog and snow. And what fog and snow do is scatter light. So if you scatter all the wavelengths of light from the white light up there back towards your eyes, what color do you see? White. So it's colored because of the particle size scattering light, not because of the gas. But in any event, we hope you learned a little bit, and we hope you'll go back and enjoy some of the science that these wonderful teachers are teaching to you. We have to throw that in. Thank you. And you want to thank all these wonderful people. Come on up, you guys. All of you. There you go. Everybody's there. These are the wonderful people that put it on for us. And the torch has been passed, although he forgot his hat. Thank you very much. Have a great day.